Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a very practical recipe. Like KUMPIR, that tastes like my breakfast potato boat recipe. To be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Wash and dry 4 large potatoes thoroughly. You can increase or decrease the number of potatoes according to the number of people. Put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil into a bowl and brush it all over our potatoes. Bake the potatoes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until they are soft, for about 1 hour. My potato, which has been baking for about 1 hour. I check by piercing it with a knife to see if it's cooked. If it's not cooked, you can bake it for a little longer. I took the potatoes out of the oven while they are still hot. As you can see in the video, I cut off a thin layer from the top. Again, while they are still hot, holding them with a paper towel. Scoop out the inside with a teaspoon. Look, the inside of our potato is very well cooked. Look, after scooping it out this way, immediately put about 1 teaspoon of butter inside the hot potato. It will melt with the heat of the potato. Prepare all our potatoes in the same way. I also scraped out the potatoes from inside in. The inside of the potato tops we cut off. Into a separate bowl, add 2 eggs. And about 1 to 2 fingers less than 1 glass of milk, then mix. Then, add about a bowl of grated cheddar cheese. And enough salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and oregano. You can adjust the amount according to your own taste. Let's mix our mixture again. We had scooped out the insides of the potatoes earlier, as you know. Take some of the scooped out potatoes and add them to the mixture. Mash and mix with a spoon. At this stage, if you want, you can add a few sprigs of finely chopped parsley, but I didn't. I set aside about 1 glass of potatoes and added all the remaining potatoes into it. Our mixture is ready. Let's fill the potato bowls that we scooped out. Then, add about 1 teaspoon of butter on top of each one. Let them bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. At the end of 15 minutes, take the potatoes out of the oven. Place about a pinch of grated cheddar cheese on top of each one. Bake in a 200-degree oven for about 10 minutes until the cheddar cheese melts. Take them out of the oven, sprinkle some red pepper flakes on top. Sprinkle finely chopped parsley and serve hot immediately. As you can see in the video, it turned out to be a wonderful flavor. It's also very practical to make. I hope you try it and like it too. To be informed about my new recipes, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Don't forget, I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.